Hello, in this video I want to show you how to leave a BIOS without saving settings in ASUS ROG Strix motherboard. To do this, first we can try pressing escape. If this doesn't work, as you can see for me it doesn't, then next thing we can go for is advanced mode. Enter it, then hit the escape until you see quit without saving, and click on OK. This should leave your BIOS to the standard version without saving those settings. But now we want to leave the BIOS entirely, and to do that we'll need to press the power button on our PC. Just click on it once, which should power off your PC, and it will also leave the BIOS at the same time without saving those settings. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.